You can often enhance the visualization of the motion plotted in TEMA using XY diagrams and stick figures. Here we have the motion of a dummy in a crash test, and we have plotted the x-axis motion, but it does not tell you too much about the motion of the limbs. Now we will add a stick figure by calling up the stick figure icon and adding it to the points list. Then we will set it up by relating the pairs of the points we want to link: the shoulder and the hip and the knee and the foot. When we have those linked, we can see that when we play the video, the relationship between these points is very clear. Now we can take another step and plot an XY diagram, in this case using the Visualizer tab and putting the points on together with the stick figures. Now we have a good visualization of the motion of the body during the crash simulation.